Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just gonna do a walk through of the yard. I decided these here. I decided to come out here and tie them up. I really don't know what to do with them. So hopefully by tying them together, I don't know, what do you guys think? I tied them together, so maybe the weight will keep them down. We're supposed to get hit at about a it says 1, but who knows. These, like I said before, these I'm not going to even move. I can't. I don't have nowhere to put them. I put up all this area here. I put my fig trees over there. This table I'm leaving here because I think, hi Belle, because I think that it'll be heavy enough. If you guys see the skies over there, they're dark. We got a notification that we're going to have some thunderstorms about 12 o'clock. I am in the frame of mind that all my plants are going to be dead. Like all my trees are going to die. I have loquats, papaya, guava, mango, banana, all kinds of stuff. Hey, that's my watchdog. Come here, little girl. And then I have everything else under the gazebo over here. Yeah, the fence. Fence, I believe, is the first thing that's gonna go. My neighbor's gonna hate me because I can't deal with it. I can't. It's gonna have to be when my husband comes home. He's gonna have to deal with it. So see, that's all. I have everything over there. These these barrels are full of water, rainwater, and if and when we lose electricity, they're saying that we could lose electricity for up to 2 weeks. So this will be my water for this one here. This one's not full yet, but it'll be full in a little while, for flushing the toilets. And I'm also going to collect water in the tubs inside the house. These ones I am not moving either. I do have these because so that when I plant beans and stuff, they can climb up of these. These are just recycled from my dog cages that I used to have, like when I had Rocky. So I tie them all together. Hopefully they'll weigh each other down. And yeah, so this is it. And here's Psycho Bella, always bringing me the ball. This dog is a psycho. Eres una loca. Give me it. She's such a doll. She's such a doll. Ready? She's so cute. Anyways, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I saw, I was looking at my views and stuff, and right quick, I got a notification that somebody reported one of my videos. So it's probably going to get an age restriction. I noticed that when there's an age restriction on it, it doesn't move as much. So there's that. So here we are. And over there I have a 2 papayas, and they're probably not going to survive either. It's too bad because they're beautiful. Yeah, got all my stuff in here. She won't pick up the ball when it's right there. See? Bella, get the ball. Get it. Get it. Give me it. She won't. For whatever reason. You don't listen, little girl. Alright guys, well I just wanted to give you guys an update of where I'm at with my preparation. And we should be getting a storm soon. But apparently the blunt of it is going to hit us tonight during the wee hours of the night. I thought it was going to be last night, because I don't have cable. I don't have the local cable, so I'm not always watching the news. I get my news from social media. I refuse to pay for cable. It's so expensive nowadays. I don't understand how cable can still be so expensive. It's bad enough that I pay $97 for internet. It's crazy. But I work from home, so I was just looking at a notification. I work from home, so I need it. Beleza! She won't get the ball over there either. Give me it. Yeah. I'm not going to be digging in there for balls because we do have snakes, so I got to get a stick to pick it up. But I will let you guys go. I just wanted to give you guys an update on where we're at with the preps. I believe that I'm as ready as I'm going to be, so pray for me, wish me luck. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Thank you for following as well. I just want to let you know. Thank you. I appreciate it. Also, thank you for the new followers. Please share and subscribe. Do go look into my videos because the ones with the restrictions are not getting pushed. So you have to search for those, I guess. But yeah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.